What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about 10 things I hate about this car. Like 10 things I hate about my Civic. It's been like 5 months it's been like 5 months since I have bought this car, so I have tested it in all the ways. So I'm gonna tell you about the 10 things I hate about this car. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. So first I'm gonna talk about the exterior of this car, what I hate exterior wise. So first thing is, I hate the badges on this car. So as you can see, these are chrome badges. And I don't like these badges. My rear badge, like it popped off, as I told you in my first video, like it popped off. So I would like to buy a new badge for this car. I would like to buy the aftermarket badge for this car, and I think, I am pretty sure that will look really nice. Second thing I hate about this car is the wheels. Like these wheels aren't the best wheel. Like these are rep wheels, so they have curb rashes and all of that stuff. So they have curb rashes here. So I just don't like these wheels and the color of these wheels. These are just like silver and black, and these are not the best wheels. So I would like to change them or repaint them. First I'm gonna repaint them because I don't think I'll be able to buy a new set of wheels. So I'll just repaint them and then they will look really nice. The third thing I hate about this car are the brakes. When I drive this car, the brakes are so squeaky. They squeak way too much and there is a lot of noise in the brakes. So I would like to change the brake pads and all of that stuff. I would just like to redo everything, and then I hope it will stop squeaking and that would look really nice and that would sound really nice. The fourth thing I hate about this car is the ride height. The ride height is way too much. Like it is way too much. 4-finger. I'm easily able to fit my 4-finger in the rears, and in the front I'm able to fit my 5 fingers. So the ride height is not the best. I would just like to lower this car. The fifth thing I hate about this car is the crack on the trunk. As you can see, there is a crack on this trunk, and this trunk is just like, now you can see it better, and there is I don't know what happened to this trunk, but it is just like bent, and you can see here, I don't think you are able to see on the camera, but there is a dent here and it is just like sucked in. So I would like to repaint and do everything again, and that would look really nice. These are some small things like that bothers me a lot. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the interior of this car, what I hate in the interior. Sixth thing I hate about this car is the steering wheel of this car. As you can see, the steering wheel is not the best, and this is a factory steering wheel, so it is just like bulky, and I don't like the steering wheel that much. So I would like to have an aftermarket steering wheel for this car, and it would look really nice. The seventh thing I hate about this car is the shifter. Like this shifter is like really bad. I'm gonna pop this off. Like now you can see this. As you can see, this is the stock shifter of this car, and it is not the best shifter. It doesn't look that good, and it is like really light, and it feels so cheap. I don't like the shifter. I would like to buy a new shifter for this car. The eighth thing I hate about this car is the interior color of this car, like the seat color and the door cards color. As you can see, the door card color of this car, it is like cream color, and the seats and interior is of cream color. So I don't like the color of the interior, so I would like to change the color of the interior. I would like to make the interior black. That would look really nice. Like here too, on the dashboard there is cream color on the dashboard, and I don't like it at all. Eighth thing I hate about this car is the shifter. There is a really long play in between gears, and that is just like way far. I would like to have an aftermarket shifter which will just like remove the play, and this is in 5th gear. It is just like wobbly, and I don't like this. I would like to have a short shifter which is gonna be really nice, and it will feel really nice at driving. The ninth thing I hate about this car is the wrap on the roof. Like as you can see, like it is dirty, but it is fading. The roof, the wrap on the roof is just like fading, and it is not the best. I would like to change the wrap on the roof, and then it will look really better than before, because at this point it is just like faded, and when you see or you click photos, it doesn't look the best. So I would like to change the wrap of the roof, and then it will look really nice. 10th thing I hate about this car is really slow. Like the power is just like really less. I would like to modify this car and add new fuel pump and new exhaust, new downpipe, and that would give some power to this car, because I cannot buy new pistons. That's just like really costly. So I would like to buy some new pistons for this car. I'm gonna show you. Like as you can see, like my My engine bay is really dirty. I'll clean it. I'll make a video when I'm gonna clean this engine bay. I'm gonna tell you how to clean your engine bay properly, and then the engine bay would look really nice. Like, it's been so long since I'm not driving this car just because of the lockdown and all of that stuff. So it's just like I would like to clean this engine bay, and I would like to upgrade few things in this engine bay. Then this car will have a lot more power, and that will be really nice. Like, that would look really nice. These are the 10 things I hate about my car, and that is just like, that's it. I don't hate any other things on this car. All of the other things are just like perfect for me, because this is my first car and I'm just like glad to have this car. And I am happy that you enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you liked this video, and just like subscribe to my channel for new video, and just like smash the like button. That helps me a lot. Like, that helps this channel a lot. That this video is over, and thank you for watching. Peace out. Yep.